Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. Yaniki. So if you're new here, my name is pronounced Yaniki. Today, well, it's the weekend and I'm about to go and get my nails done. It's a mess. So I'm about to go refill my nails, add on the ones that have fallen off, and run some errands as well. So I'm taking you guys along with me. So it's a day in my life for sure. So we're going to the nail tech first, and then we'll see what else I'm do after, because I didn't really plan out it. I'm just sure that I'm going to the nail tech. I feel like them Kingston girly there. Just clap the feet check and such.
Give me one break and you said, better believe it, better receive it. Give me something I'm lacking, I don't need nothing. You are my everything, only me and you.
Guys, so I'm in Shoppers Fair with my niece. I'm gonna just take up the cake where I get for a friend. And by friend I mean Rushy. And if you're there here a long time, you know, so last year them time here we did go. Well, we went to an Airbnb. This year gonna be different, but we're gonna surprise her with a cake for sure. So guys, these are the nails. It's so cute. Eat down, to be honest. My nail tech always angle me. My friend don't have the patience. Murder. The patience I give it there back of the line. Pretty for my YouTube channel. Remember good say, last year, I take up back my vlogging, but last year I did vlog for the Airbnb. So this year we are going to vlog for the entire weekend again. Right. So I take taxi and come meet her Branzik. The lady face makeup for just wait. Eh? Oh, you look like a skippy people them so.
Long time. My aunt said for give me a blind.
I say people.
I say me's a regular. I say miss.
I say people. And I want to tell you, say you look like say you would get through before the driver ready for go away. Come on, and okay guys, so I'm going to show you guys what I have in my bag. I want to see I did have a spoon. I really never get a lot of stuff. I just grab and go. So I get me rings, so I use. Normally I'd use the blue one, but because I don't have the blue one, what I do is to just get the one that smell like baby for my clothes now. So I got a Woman's Touch Freshable wipes. But they glimpse it in there right there. I'm gonna have to get it. And I am big on Woman's Touch products, so yeah, clock it. I got soap to wash my clothes. And my friend gave me this in company, which I get stacking for work. Got toothbrush because I realized say I can't find the toothbrush I did have. I did buy like, if you don't watch my Colombia vlog, I did still have toothbrush I'm gonna use, but I don't know where it is. So I'm gonna put this back in my pouch when I bring on the road. And what else I get? I can't go on the road and see this and buy it for some reason, like Pure Country. Angle this, like I love the coconut water here, so I always want to get it. I got a strawberry and cream VO5. I've been using back my Garnier, but it's a finish, especially, well, the conditioner is finished, but I was like, since I get this, why not get the shampoo as well, because I'm gonna need it. It smells really nice, and I'm a cheap and clean go-to because it costs like $200. Because we have to still be It's giving body on a budget. Stick razors, a pack. Bathing rag because I actually love bathe with them here. Sorry, I love bathe with them. This is my niece son because she did pick it up for herself. And of course, my near. So that's basically all. And I also got this hoop earring because I would need it for tonight. Cost like $500. So yeah, that's all that's in my bag that I got. I go take out my things then I go wear because the time I get late. I'm gonna take my get for take a nap because I really wanted to take a nap. I gotta just take a quick nap before anything else. But I need to wash off myself. So yeah, y'all are gonna see how tonight goes. We're probably gonna have a video at that because we are going out tomorrow again. So stay tuned. I'm sweating, so I'm gonna just turn on back the fan. I wanna just see me in the other clip. Hey guys, so I'm ready to go now. So it's a little celebration, round robin kind of thing. We have a cake for her. She has no idea we have a cake for her. It's downstairs in the fridge, so when I go away, I'm gonna just take it up and go away. I'm ready. Let me show you guys the fit. These are the jewelry, how it's looking. I'm gonna show you the fit. The fit check. So I'm in a little mini skirt with a cute little top. Cute. Period. So I'm currently waiting on my friend to come and pick me up. So I'll let y'all know when she's here. So guys, it is almost 12 a.m. and the dolls them just leave them yard to go to the club. People see them here, the birthday girl. Can't be showing us some mates. Hey guys, welcome to another day in the vlog. I just got back home and I'm about to show you guys what my mother got for me. And quick story, like quick summary, my laptop stopped working. Like the screen went bad like probably a month ago or so, and I really did wonder how I manage because I'm about to start back school real soon because exam time it stopped working before my assessments and I had to do without it for that. So I'm about to unbox it and show you guys what it is. I've already seen the brand because it's on the box. So yeah. Alright guys, so I set you guys up right here. I'm going to show you guys how it's looking. So now basically I unboxed it because I don't know if it's the exact same one that I had before or what, because I didn't know about the purchase until today. So this is what it came in. Your girl is officially back with you guys that is necessary. That's the first step off. Make sure to take my time and take it out. Alright, so there's nothing in the box. Ooh. But wait, come to the realization, many things I really don't think. I'm gonna check out the box. I'm gonna see the charger. Alright, so it has an XD part right here, and it has, you know, the little slots here, so for earphone, for the what you call the cable, I'm gonna use it. I don't remember, but I don't know how. because it's on my charger right now for the iPhone, type C cable, and then you know the USB part and the HD here, and we have the charging part right here. I wonder if I mean I say good or but it look purple to me. So let's open it. Clock it, guys. The girl is back to having her device that's necessary to her. And if it won't charge, I'm gonna try to plug it in because for some reason I press it, but I see nothing come up. So give me a minute. So guys, the box was not empty. I did really wonder how I get that one laptop with the charger. So yeah, it does come with a charger. So we have the charger here, still in the box. I still have my charger from my other laptop that's not working. So yeah. And it's small, because for some reason I really get full of the small laptop then, because it's essential for me can go anywhere with, and it's not too heavyweight. It's not heavyweight none at all. So we're gonna see how it look. Yes, sir.
He done. He done.